Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox another kit that I purchased from a website that is called Mary Maxim. I have never heard about this store. As far as I understand, this is a craft store, kind of like Michael's, although it doesn't have multiple locations all over the states, but it is located somewhere in Minnesota. And they have pretty cheap kits over there, diamond painting kits, cross stitch kits, etc. So in all the websites, this kit that is called Deer Creek Chapel from Diamond Dots. This is Thomas Kincaid series, Thomas Kincaid's collection, cost around $60. And I was actually going to purchase it at Michael's, where it was $60 even, added to the cart, to the bag. And one day when I went to check whether it is on sale, whether it was on sale or not, I found out that it was no longer available. It was all sold out at $60. I was like shocked. But I mean, I understand because the design is beautiful. This is the original picture. So I decided to rush and purchase it elsewhere, and I found it on Mary Maxim for $35. And I thought that it was really very cheap in comparison to other websites where it was around $60. And I purchased this and a few other kits. I will show it to you a little bit later in other videos. And so it was $35, although the shipping was kind of pricey, but they gave me 20 or 30% off. So, and then the next day when I went to this website, I saw that this kit went down even more. It was $22, but now it went back up to 35. So let's open and see how it looks inside. As always, let's start with the canvas. It is a full round reel diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters, my favorite size. It is not small, it is not big. It is standard. It is very easy to find a frame for it, especially at Michael's. They usually have a sale of 40 by 50 frames, buy one, get one free, or buy one, get two free, which is nice. This is a fabric polyester canvas with the continuation of the design and board glue adhesive. The symbols, the printing of the symbols is really very nice. The majority of symbols do not have the black wheels around them, which is great. And I think that the rendering looks pretty detailed and color related as far as I understand. Usually Thomas Kincaid's collection does not contain any AB diamonds, so I'm not sure about that one. When we open the drills, we will see, but originally I was planning on replacing a few resin drills with sparklers on the windows to show the illumination, the light coming out of it, and you know that sparklers do the great job in it. And I was also planning to use white AB diamonds because most likely it is like late fall, maybe the end of November, the beginning of December, and there is some snow on the picture, and I was thinking of substituting resin drills with AB sparklers. I mean, with AB diamonds, white AB, again, to show the sparkle of the snow. I actually like how detailed the rendering looks, and I know that Diamond Dots has its artists that work on the designs before generating them into diamond paintings, and even after transforming them into diamond paintings, they work pixel by pixel to make them more detailed, and the color blending, they work also on color blending. And I like everything about the picture except of one thing. this. Do you see? To tell the truth, when I saw the completed result, you can see it on the uh, website. I will give it to you. The picture is better over there or over here, because they always post a completed, a finished design on the preview. I was 100% sure that these were bears. Apparently, these are not bears, these are deer, and they are way too small to be detailed. To tell the truth, I wish the designers or the artist would blend them in with the snow instead of having the deer, because I don't know, they look like bears to me, like bears. Way too pixelated. Other than that, I love the uh, design. On the original picture, they do look like the original Thomas Kincaid's painting. They do look like deer, but for diamond painting and for this size, they are just way too pixelated. Okay, now let's open the drills and see what we have. Okay, now looking at the diamonds, I'm kind of nervous because I would expect them to be a little bit brighter and more variety of pink, of maybe lilac, a lot of white. But what I see here is, I don't know, the shades, the colors are pretty dull, a lot of gray shades. So I hope it will still turn out um, not as gloomy as the majority of the colors here. Um, so this kit does come with AB diamonds, one color, specifically white. Here it is, but do you see how small the bag is? So there are not that many drills in there, meaning that white color is not used much in this diamond painting, and I would think otherwise. I guess gray color is used, and I do not have any gray AB diamonds. I would be more than happy to replace some of the um, shades of gray with AB, but I don't have any. Maybe I will order from Tina, I'm not sure. Yeah, they kind of dull, right? I would think they would bright. I mean, I know that unboxing doesn't give the uh, painting a justice. Um, I know that I trust Diamond Dots. Again, they have the team of artists that color blends designs pretty well. So I will diamond paint it and I will show you the result. So hopefully it won't be as gloomy as I imagined to myself. And definitely I will replace this color, this yellow, with the sparklers, yellow sparklers, because it goes on the windows of the church. So this one will be replaced 100%. As to the others, I don't think so. I will just leave it the way it is because it's pretty hard to select a correct shade of the colors that come in this original kit. So I wouldn't risk replacing some of these colors. They're really very unique shades. I'm pretty sure there are no AB diamonds with a shade like this. There are green diamonds, but not darker green as presented in this kit. So that's how it looks. $35, Mary Maxim. I'm not advertising this website. It was, I mean, I found it by incident, but I would encourage you to look at it because seriously, the kits there, when they are on sale, they are way cheaper than on other websites. I'm telling you, on Monday, this kit was $22, while on all other websites, Michaels, Walmart, somewhere else, they were like, I don't know, $60. The cheapest was $60 with 20% off. That's it, but it's not 22, not even $35. And just wait for the for their promo codes or search for their promo codes. The next day, the day later after I ordered it, I paid $15 shipping, but again, they gave me 30% off on above it, and it actually lowered my shipping cost significantly. But the day later, they sent me a promotion for free shipping plus the kids, Diamond Dots kids, went to $22 cost, while the original was also $40 or $60. So I purchased a few more kits for a way cheaper price and free shipping. So just check it out. It's a good option as well, when if you search for something cheaper. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and see you soon.